Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your TikTok direct messages on iPhone if they aren't working. So this could be due to a couple of different reasons. It could either be that TikTok servers themselves are down and you can go check by going to one of these websites here. And as you can see, there are no problems detected with TikTok. So now let's try other solutions within the app. So let's try. So you want to also make sure that you have verified your phone number. If you haven't done that, do that now. And another solution is to go to privacy and scroll down to direct messages and make sure who can send you direct messages is set to friends, because if you set it to no one can send messages to you, and you can't send messages to others either because they can't reply to you. Now, if none of these solutions work, I recommend contacting TikTok support directly and see if you can get help from TikTok themselves. We hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop us a like, leave us a comment for any questions and concerns, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!